Hey everybody, guy brought me a Xbox one of the old Xboxes to fix. He said I'm the electronics man, so he wanted me to fix it for him. And turns out I had to get some parts for it, and I had to order a special tool to fix it with. Let me show you my tool here. Here's the tool I had to get right here. This special with the corrugated handle and the big head on it. I had to get this special tool to fix it with. I had to. Let's see if we can put the part in it. Oh my goodness. We just fixed it. Look at that. There's the hard drive. I fixed that. How about that? Oh, let's see if we can fix the fan. Oh, good as new. I think we fixed it.